Now, we're going to look at OR graphs. So ORs work a little differently, but the starting part's the same. The first thing you want to do is you want to solve each piece here. So I'm going to get x by itself in each piece. So add 2, 4x is greater than 16. Divide by 4, x is greater than 4. Okay. Next one, add 4, 3x is less than or equal to -9. Divide by 3, x is less than or equal to -3. Okay, so there's my solution set. That's my solving part. Okay, and I'll get to the graphs here in a moment. I'll do a similar thing on this one to where I'll make 3 graphs. Okay, 3 graphs here. All right, so I've got x is greater than 4. I'll put that on the top, and I'll put this one on the second one there. So I'm going to put 0 in the middle in each of these. -4 would come, or I'm sorry, -3 would come before, and 4 would come after. Okay, so I'm putting these points down because I'm going to use those to work with. So let's look at the top one. X is greater than 4. So greater than 4, open or close. It's open because there's no equal to. I'm going to shade to the right. Less than or equal to -3. Well, it's got the equal to, so it's going to be closed. I'm going to shade to the left. Now, for an AND graph, you look for the overlap. For an OR graph, you look for if there's any shading at all. So when there's any shading at all from these first two, you have to shade in this third one. So I've got shading from -3 and to the left. I've got shading from 4 to the right. So my solution set is this. Okay, and it'll make sense. So think of a number that's greater than 4 or less than -3. What about 6? 6 is greater than 4. It's not less than -3, but that's all right. For OR, it just has to be true for one of them. What about 0? Is 0 bigger than 4? No. So is it less than or equal to -3? No. So 0 doesn't work because it doesn't work for both. So for OR, it just needs to work for one of the two. For AND here, they had to work for both. So like when I pick 3, 3 has to be true for both pieces. For OR, it just has to be true for one of the pieces.